This is the installation tutorial for the 3725RK-2 renewal kit, which is compatible with these 3/8" ratchets. We do not recommend installing this kit into a 36-tooth ratchet housing due to slight dimensional differences that can cause malfunction. This ratchet uses an 8IP Torx Plus screw, so you can use our 168T-8IP screwdriver to install this kit. Start by unscrewing the screw on the back of the ratchet head. This will release the front accessories, which can be removed and discarded. Before you begin the assembly process, clean the ratchet housing. Apply CRC or WD-40, then wipe with a clean cloth. Insert the reversion lever into the lowest hole in the back of the ratchet head. Insert the pin and spring into the hole in the side of the reversion lever. Make sure that you insert the spring end into the hole, and use tweezers if necessary. Insert the large pawl into the assembly. The small pawl comes with grease already applied, so we do not recommend the use of additional grease. Insert the small pawl above the large pawl, lining up the grooves so they interlock. Insert the gear into the assembly. Press the cover plate into the ratchet head. Make sure that the circular cavities are facing down. Insert the screw into the smallest hole in the back of the ratchet head and through the pawl. Then tighten the screw. Test your ratchet handle to ensure that it was assembled properly. This concludes the installation tutorial for the 3725RK-2 renewal kit.